Hey, good morning everybody. It's Don here. Just thought I'd put on a new video of me putting on my rock tumblers. Let's see something. Oh, excuse me. I'm adjusting my GoPro camera. Okay, yeah. I'm making some grit, and I've seen Rocky Ridge Kennel Lofts and his method of mixing his grit, and I just wanted to show you mine real quick. It's kind of similar, but you know, it's depending on what you want to put in your grit. And I really made a good batch here, and it don't take long to make it. I used 3 different types of grit, and I used 2 different types of oil. And I got my young birds here too as well. Then I'm gonna vaccinate the Gordon Hughes blue bars. And let's see here, this old beautiful satinette classic frill. And I'm gonna try to vaccinate these birds and a couple more young birds, and then I'll start on the older birds. Before I get on the older birds, I'm gonna do the young birds. But anyhow, let me get back to this grit. So yeah, I got 3 gallon jars that I use, and I use this grit here. It's called Cherry Stone grit, and you can buy this. I buy them in 50-pound bags. It's real fine grit. See how powdery it is and dusty. I fill it up about halfway because this stuff goes a long ways, and it mixes up easy when you use the rock tumbler. Okay, so yeah, let me show you. This is where you can get your grit. Look, here's the bag, 50-pound bags, and you can get them at Tractor Supply, I think, or your family farm if you have a family farm. And this is the oil I use, and I mark on his. He also uses the same stuff, and these Star Oil, but I got mine 2 different ones, the same stuff though. I think I got these from Foy's, and I got this one at the store, or I think my wife got it online or something. I'm not sure where. It could be either one. And then I use a wheat germ oil. It's a good source of energy and fatty acid supplements. And been using this for years with my feed over there. As you can see, I mean, I pour some of that in there and mix it up with some brewer's yeast powder, and you can always use garlic powder or whatever vitamin supplements you want to use. And then I use some of this oil. Like I said, they love that stuff. It smells like licorice. And the grit I use is chicken oyster grit, and I could put some in here. And then this tumbler, the longer you let it run, it'll break it down more. It'll be a little bit finer, I guess. And then this one here is some larger redstone grit with some probiotics in it for chickens. And I got more coming, bigger bags online that I got. A lot of the stuff you can get online too. I do a lot of my shopping on eBay and Amazon. Okay, so this is it. You see, I got it like halfway. Not halfway, but yeah, well, halfway. And then when I'm feeding the birds or got something to do, I'll just let this thing run. You see how powdery it is on down here and it's dark up here? That's because of the oil, but when it all gets uniform dark, and you know it's well mixed. This thing is moving pretty fast, so don't know if you can see it, but it's tumbling in there halfway. It's kind of like spilling over and rotating. It's a rock tumbler I got. And, I can't remember where I got it. It's been years since I had it. I think I got it on the estate sale or an auction. I can't remember. And some people will make these things. If you're really mechanically inclined, you can make one of these. It's got a fan belt. A fan belt and a pulley in there. Spinning these two rods. Okay. So I got a 3 mil syringe. I'm giving them 0.025 injection per bird. Get the bubble out of there. Then, okay, let's see what I got here. Let's start off with this young bird here. My Tumbler from Danville Lofts. It's a young bird for this year. What I'm doing is spraying down with a little alcohol. Help expose the bare skin and disinfect it. And as you can see, the skin, I'm giving them 0.25 injection per bird. That's it. I hope I can get my camera wet. Man. And I can always get my booster later after I get all these birds vaccinated. And just a precaution, you know. I'd hate to get hit with that. I got hit with it a couple times for PMV, and like my birds are dropping like flies. I'm not sure how I got it at a show or somebody visited my lofts and got it on the feet. I don't know. It's been a horrible experience. Okay, that's it. This bird here is not perfectly marked, but he'd be a good breeder. I can always go from there. Alright, so as you can see, I got a lot more to go. And I'm going to start off with these black eagles here I got paired up. Should have about 2 pairs in there. I'm not 100% sure on this first cage here if there's 2 cocks or 2 hens. I think there are 2 hens. Okay, you can see where it's dark all the way around, and the heavier stuff is not going down as good, but you know, let's do it around a little shake up manually. I think you can see it better too. You know, it's pouring. Okay, well, I just thought I'll show you. That's how I do my grit with my rock tumbler. And you can see it's nice and dark. Well coated, not as dusty no more. See how I can pour it down? No dust. Okay, well, appreciate everybody looking. Hope everybody have a good breeding season. And I'm experimenting with some YouTube shorts. So don't be annoyed by them. I mean, it's convenient because I can do it with my phone and upload it. Whereas when I make these longer videos, I got to use my GoPro, which is good for that too. And YouTube shorts are just some short clips that I get put on with my phone. Like I said, it's more convenient. And you know, I can only upload certain, like I think 30, 60 seconds, something like that. I don't know, 30 seconds, something like that. It's not long at all. They won't let you get it long. And these birds are eager to get out. These homers, Budapest, and my rollers. Everybody wants to get out. But I guarantee it, being February, there's a hawk out there in the woods and them trees. I can guarantee it. So I think I'm just going to do some cleaning today, and I'll take care of that part. Well, it's a little warm. I mean, it's not exactly warm, but here in Michigan, when you get 40-degree weather, that's warm. And last time I did a shot on that, it didn't come out too good because of the sun. Okay, it's better. And I'll have to vaccinate all these mulmins too. Get rid of some birds in here that I'm banded. Alright, everybody. Thanks for watching. And I'll try to get some more on later. Have a great breeding season. Bye.